My name is Steve McNee and I'm a Duke of Edinburgh Expedition Assessor. I've been volunteering with the scheme for over 4 years now, and in that time I've took a large number of young people through their awards, be that bronze, silver or both. The Duke of Edinburgh Award is important because I think it teaches young people skills that they're going to use to get on in life. It teaches them things like teamwork, resilience, leadership skills, but above all, it teaches them to enjoy themselves no matter what they're doing and just to go and have some fun. It's a fantastic way for them to learn the fundamental skills required to get on in adult life. Young people today live in a digital generation. I think it's important for them that they're not connected to laptops and mobile phones all the time, and just to get out and enjoy what they've got. There may not be a Wi-Fi connection in the mountains, but there's certainly a connection with themselves. They can just enjoy themselves away from the stresses of everyday life and get muddy. Some young people these days don't realise what's out there. They spend a lot of their time indoors studying, socialising, and they don't see that there's a massive world out there that they can just grab a pair of boots, grab a jacket and get out and enjoy, get that fresh air. DofE leaders need to have a really good sense of humour. They need to be resilient and they need to be approachable as well. They have to be thinking about the young people at all times. Some have never walked before, other than walking from the bus to school. Some haven't ever picked up a map before. These are the skills that are transferable, that as a leader, I want to be passing on to the next generation. The DofE is such a big part of my life because it embodies everything I want my children to learn. I was never given the opportunity to complete the Duke of Edinburgh scheme, and I think it's quite possibly one of the most important voluntary schemes that this country's ever produced. It shows everything that I hold dear is possible for anybody to achieve, from any walk of life, from any background, and that to me is success. That to me says that young person has done everything they can to be the best person that they can possibly be.